Long nights, the screen still glows, where the creative river flows. Deadlines calling, no time to rest. Every pixel placed, I give my best. Ideas don't sleep, they're alive in my mind. Chasing perfection, no limits, no time. I'm a graphic designer, built to create, burning the hours, working late, turning visions into something real. Through sweat and passion, I make them feel. Revisions bow, feedback rolls in. Start again, let the process begin. Coffee fuels the fire inside. Through every challenge I take it in stride. It's not just art, it's a piece of my soul. A hard-earned craft that makes me whole. I'm a graphic designer, built to create.